Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Abdul Mohit Shoaib, and I'm from batch PET 105. So, today the topic is about flood. Well, what is flood? You may ask. Flood is a natural disaster where many people loses their life or their relatives or their loved ones get missing or they get in another place. So I'm gonna say some few advantages and some disadvantages. Now there are few advantages and there's a lot of disadvantages. So first of all, um, when flood happens, fish comes from bottom to top, and it helps us to feed our children or relatives the fish. And if you don't know, fish gives us protein, which is really helpful. Then, well, I'm gonna say some disadvantages of it. Well, some of them are that when flood happens, the most sad thing is that you lose your relatives, cousins, or friends, and many people went missing. Last last time when flood happened, that time more than 1 lakh children got missing or died by flood. And this is really serious. When flood will happen again in Bangladesh, it may cause a lot of damage. Now, in my surroundings, it looks really beautiful, but when flood will happen, it may cause disasters. For example, there in front of me there's a bridge. Well, that bridge may break due to flood. Now, I'm not sure it may break or not, but this is very serious. Well, it also damages in our surroundings or environment, which is really sad. When a man works really hard for a project or a building, like 5 years, then it got destroyed by flood. How will you feel? Then, um, as it is a natural disaster, it happens due to trees. But this natural disaster happening in Bangladesh, chances are nowadays medium. So I would like to say that this is where I will say, and this is it. Thank you.